Product design is changing. So should your CAD software. Introducing Creo 7.0, the most innovative and powerful 3D CAD software on the market today. Additive manufacturing is changing the way products are designed and produced. Creo already offers the most comprehensive suite of additive manufacturing capabilities in the market today, and Creo 7.0 continues this innovation. Stochastic lattices are useful for producing medical devices and products which require heat transfer applications or shock absorption. In Creo 7.0, you can now both create stochastic lattices that follow hard edges and develop them with triangular mesh structures using the Delaunay algorithm. Lastly, custom cell improvements give you the flexibility to create lattice structures based on non-B-rep geometry to better serve your needs. Creo 7.0 also features significant enhancements for traditional or subtractive computer-aided manufacturing processes, starting with support for Swiss-type turning machines in Creo's NC suite. This is especially useful for a broad range of high-throughput production operations. Creo 7.0 also features several productivity and UI improvements, including support for multiple go-home positions for advanced machine types, eliminating the need for lengthy custom commands, and synchronized toolpath highlighting, making it easier to visualize sequences in a clear and simple way while you work. Product design is changing. So should your CAD software. Creo 7.0, the future of how you design.